Good morning, students. In today's lecture, we are going to start the new chapter, that is chapter number 6, solid, liquid and gases. So, students, you can see different things around you that might be present in different form. Some things around you are existing in solid state, some are existing in liquid state, while the others they are existing in gaseous state. You can see that the solids they are hard and tight, right? They are having a particular shape, while liquids you can see different liquids, they are always flowing, while gases you can't see but you can feel. So the things which are present around you, that is everything present around us, is matter. This may include different types, like let us take examples. Some examples you can see some things around you like table, chair, pencil, rubber, books, notebooks, then water, some juices. These are the different things, and even air is around you, so that you can feel. You cannot see air, of course, but you can feel, right? So these are the three states of matter: solid, liquid and gases. Have you ever thought what this matter is made up of? It should be also consisting of something inside it. We are seeing different thing around us which is matter, then it is consisting of what? It is consisting of tiny particles that are called as molecule. Yes, matter is, it means, matter means the things which are around you. They are made up of the small tiny particles which you cannot see by your eyes. They are called as molecules. Each molecule is further made up of the smallest, finest particle called atom. So in this chapter we will see the arrangement of these molecules in three states: solid, liquid and gases. Right? So let us study these three states. Some examples are given here for the states of matter, like chair, book and fan, they are solid; water, ink and oil, they are liquid. While some gases you might be knowing, we breathe in oxygen, we breathe out carbon dioxide, nitrogen is present in air, right? So these are gases which we cannot see but we can feel, right? Let us study all these states one by one. We'll start with the first, which is solid. So in solid, you might have seen different things, like you might have seen table, chair, or some more things like glass, pencil, rubber. Have you ever thought if a table which is there, does it changes its shape or its size? Have you ever seen table changing its shape by its own, or changing its size by own? Table which is cuboidal in shape becoming triangular, is it possible? No, you would be thinking that, ma'am, how table can change its shape? It is a non-living thing. But still, can it flow? Can it have any difference in its shape? No, because the molecules which are there inside the solid, they are tightly packed. टाइटली पैक्ड मीन्स जो मॉलिक्यूल्स होती है उसके बीच में स्पेस ही नहीं होती, वो इस तरह से टाइटली पैक्ड होते हैं, राइट? जो भी दो मॉलिक्यूल्स है उसके बीच में जो है स्पेस ही नहीं होती, राइट? सब एक दूसरे से इतने पास में अरेंज्ड होते हैं सॉलिड में कि सॉलिड्स जो है अपना शेप हमेशा फिक्स्ड रहता है उनका, राइट? इतनी स्पेस नहीं है कि मॉलिक्यूल्स जो है मूव कर सके, right? So that is the property of solid. That is why we say that solids have fixed shape and definite volume. Definite volume मतलब उनका जो वॉल्यूम होता है वो भी फिक्स्ड होता है. आपने देखा कोई सॉलिड आज छोटा था कल बड़ा हो गया, राइट? लेट इट बी अ चेयर, आज छोटी चेयर थी कल अपने आप बड़ी हो गई. इज इट पॉसिबल? नो, दे आर हैविंग अ definite shape and definite volume, right? However, some solids they can change the shape, but for that you will have to apply force on them, that is push or pull, right? You will have to apply a force on them. Certain solids like you can see sponge, rubber band, clay, they can change their shape, but for that you as soon as you apply the force on it, it will change this shape. As soon as you stop applying the force, they will regain their shape, right? So today we have studied different properties of solid. That are solids, they have fixed shape, solids they have definite volume, solids they do not flow, and molecules of the solid are tightly packed. ये सारी प्रॉपर्टीज हमने आज देखी. अब सॉलिड्स जो होते हैं ना कुछ क्रिस्टल शेप में होते हैं. ये क्रिस्टल्स क्या होता है? क्या आपने शुगर को देखा है कभी? शुगर जो है वो उसका राउंड पाउडर होता है? नहीं, शुगर का राउंड पाउडर नहीं होता है. इफ़ यू हैवंट सीन, you can observe it today. Sugar, it is having a cuboidal small particle, right? Cuboidal shape का छोटा सा particle होता है, तो उसे हम क्या कहेंगे? Powdered form? नहीं, crystal कहते हैं, right? In chemistry, it is called as crystal, right? उसी तरह से copper sulfate एक हमारा salt है, उसके भी crystals होते हैं, right? If you can see, you might, if you see it by magnifying glass, you will observe that this solid existing in different shape, right? So these were the solids. Coming to the next, liquids. Liquids, they can flow. लिक्विड्स को आप जैसी भी चीज़ में डालो ना उसका वो शेप ले लेता है. अगर आप सिलेंडर में डालो तो वो सिलेंड्रिकल शेप का होता है. अगर आप किसी भी स्फेरिकल चीज़ में डालो तो उसका स्फीयर बन जाता है, राइट? सो इस तरह से क्यों होता है? लिक्विड्स कोई भी कंटेनर का शेप कैसे ले सकते हैं? अगर आप इसे सिलेंडर में डालो तो सिलेंड्रिकल लगेगा, स्फेरिकल में डालो तो स्फेरिकल लगेगा, रेक्टेंगुलर में डालो देन रेक्टेंगुलर लगेगा, राइट? एज पर यू टेक द कंटेनर इट विल टेक इट्स शेप. हाउ इट इज़ पॉसिबल? बिकॉज इन लिक्विड्स द मॉलिक्यूल्स आर लूजली पैक्ड. लूजली पैक्ड मतलब यहाँ पे आप फिगर में देख सकते हो मॉलिक्यूल्स के बीच में स्पेस है, मतलब मॉलिक्यूल्स आसपास घूम सकते हैं. दे आर फ्री टू मूव अराउंड. That is why they are having the property to take the shape of container, and even that is the reason they can flow. Liquids flow कर सकते हैं इसीलिए, right? Liquids उनका कोई fixed shape नहीं होता, वो हमेशा कंटेनर का शेप ले लेते हैं जबकि वो फ्लो कर सकते हैं, राइट? लेकिन उनका वॉल्यूम वो हमेशा फिक्स्ड रहता है. कभी आपने देखा आज एक ग्लास जो मैंने वाटर लिया वो 5 मिनट्स के बाद वो एक ग्लास का वाटर जो है बहुत ज़्यादा होके नीचे गिरने लगा? नो. या फिर उस एक ग्लास वाटर का हाफ ग्लास हो गया? नो. अनलेस एंड until you drink it, you will not find that the volume is decreased or increased, right? Hence, the properties of the liquid which we studied today are: first, उनका कोई fixed shape नहीं होता, यानी कि they do not have fixed shape. Second, they take the shape of container. Third, they have fixed volume. Fourth, वो हमेशा फ्लो करते हैं. किस तरह से फ्लो करते हैं? हायर लेवल टू लोअर लेवल. आपने देखा होगा पानी ऊपर से नीचे गिरता है. इज़ इट पॉसिबल पानी नीचे से चल के ऊपर जा रहा है? नहीं हो सकता ना, नीचे से चल के पानी ऊपर नहीं जा सकता, राइट? सो दे आर फ्लोइंग फ्रॉम हायर लेवल टू लोअर लेवल, एंड द मॉलिक्यूल्स दे आर लूजली पैक्ड, सो लिक्विड्स कैन फ्लो.